to Algebra 1 Honors. This is Lesson 8-9, Direct Variation. And direct variation, I always tell people to think about as buying cans of soup. It's a good model. If you go to a store and you buy 4 cans of soup, okay, same kind of can of soup, and it costs you $1, the unit price, i.e. each can, costs you 25 cents. So on the same day, provided there aren't sales or anything like that, if you go and you buy 12 cans of soup, you'd expect the unit price, the per can price, to be the same. So 12 cans of soup would cost you 12 times that 25 cents or $3. Okay? So you have a direct variation. So the total cost of the soup divided by the number of cans gives you the unit price. And in this case, the unit price is what we call the constant of variation. Because although these two numbers vary, the constant that relates them, okay, does not. The constant stays the same. And when you're buying things, the constant is the unit price of something. Okay? It allows you to do price comparisons in a store. You know, is it better to buy a big amount of something for a higher price or a lot of a small unit, okay, and add the price up? You should be able to figure that out. Now, there's 2 ways to do these kind of problems. I'm going to show you both ways, and you can pick which way. So let's say that we're given this information. We actually only have to be given one of these lines. And then they say, okay, if you buy 25 cans, what's your total cost? Well, one way is to use this equation right here, okay, this constant of variation equation. And you'd come over here and you'd fill in. You don't know what the total cost is, so that's what you're looking for, cost. You know that you got 25 cans, and you know that your unit price is 25 cents. Okay, so if we stick that over 1, we're going to see that we cross multiply. C equals 25 times 0.25, and that's going to be $6.25. That's one way to do this problem. There's another way, and actually I like the other way better, but this way works just fine. The other way is to set up a ratio, okay, and say that $1 is to 4 cans, so this amount is to this, as the amount you don't know there, C, what you're trying to find, is to 25. Now, the reason you can do that is because both of these have to be equal to that same unit cost. So it's like saying this is equal to K and this is equal to K, so you can set them equal to each other. That's what makes the ratio work here. Okay? But this, I think, is an easier way for people to see. So now we're going to again cross multiply, and we have 4C equals $25, and C equals $6.25, and we get the same answer. Right? So that's what direct variation is. You can either find the constant of variation and then plug things in and use it to solve, or you can set up a ratio. This is to this as my unknown is to the other known. Right? And that's direct variation.